Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off the built-in antivirus in Windows 11. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Windows Security and then click on the app from the results. Once the Windows Security window opens, you will see different categories on the left side. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. In this section, look for the heading called Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Under it, click on Manage Settings. Here you will find a switch for real-time protection. This feature is what scans files and blocks harmful software in real time. To turn it off, click the switch so it moves to the off position. A message will appear asking if you are sure you want to make this change. Click Yes to confirm. When you turn this off, your computer will stop automatically scanning files and apps. This means your device might be more vulnerable to threats. If you also want to turn off other parts of the antivirus, scroll down on the same settings page. You will see options like Account Protection and Firewall and Network Protection. You can switch these off in the same way if you prefer. Again, click Yes when the prompt appears. Thanks for watching.